Once upon a time in the vast and vibrant ocean, there lived a little fish named Finny. Finny was a curious and adventurous fish, always swimming far and wide to discover new wonders beneath the waves. He had shiny scales that sparkled like tiny flickers of sunlight and a tail that swished gracefully as he moved. Finny's best friend was Coral, a wise old sea turtle with an intricately patterned shell that told stories of the sea like a beautiful tapestry. One bright and sunny day, Finny and Coral set off on an exciting journey to explore the fabled sea world, a place where the water was crystal clear, and the coral reefs danced with color and life. As they swam, they met all kinds of fascinating sea creatures. There was Sammy the seahorse who could change colors to match the corals, Giggles the playful dolphin who loved to do flips in the air, and Shelly the shy hermit crab who would peek out curiously from her shell. But their journey wasn't just fun and games. Along the way, they encountered a sneaky octopus named Inky who loved to play tricks. Inky would squirt ink to create cloudy spots and surprise other joyful sea creatures, causing chaos. This time, he decided to scare Giggles while she was doing her flips, thinking it would be a good prank. But Finny had a plan. He told Inky that if he helped them find the way to Sea World, they would let him join their adventure. Inky, excited by the idea of having friends to play with, led them through the dense forests of kelp and across the bubbly currents until they could see the shimmering gates of SeaWorld. When they arrived, the sight was more magical than they had ever imagined. The corals were vivid rainbows, schools of fish danced in harmony, and all the creatures seemed to live in joyful peace. They spent the rest of the day exploring, playing, and making memories. Inky found that playing with friends was much more fun than playing tricks. And from that day on, the little ocean family, with Finny, Coral, Giggles, Shelly, and even Inky, made Sea World their favorite meeting place for fun and adventures. They lived happily, swimming under the sunlit waves, ready for the next exciting journey in the sea.